We got puppies. Move. Oh, you okay? We got puppies, got 8 of them. The one. Stop, Duke. That's Kayla. That's Kayla. That's Kayla. And come here, Duke. That's Duke. That's Kiwi. Yeah, well, our whole yard. And puppies. Got puppies too. We been had these. I just never found my phone when we had puppies. And that's the one that I'm keeping. Move, guys. See, it's summertime, so it's gonna always be flies. It's the one that I want to keep, but I'm keeping another one. I want to keep this one. Look up. I wanted to keep this one, but we gotta keep a different one. Look at me. And let me show you their teeth. Okay, their teeth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth, girl. Okay, she can. Okay, I'm gonna put her down now. Come on. So we're keeping the one with the ball right there. Here. Move. Okay, I'm gonna throw this. Watch. They're going for the ball. Okay, they're coming back. And as usual, that's the ball. That's boy. That's the boy right there. I like him. Look at this one, my shoe.